Welcome back to the Will Henry Show. I'm out here in La La Land. We got a famous house out here. It's called the LA Trash House. It's kind of like a hoarder. This guy lives in this big old house, and he's been collecting trash. He goes around the neighborhood and brings trash bags back to his house. About a year ago, the city came, cleaned it all up, put him out, everything like that. And guess what? All the trash is back.
Just last year, the city spent hours removing tons of trash and debris from a home in the Fairfax District.
Well, today it looks like the home may be in even worse condition than before. There you see it, not a visible inch of yard without trash. And this home located in the Fairfax District just south of Melrose. And Eyewitness News reporter Leo Stallworth joins us live with more on the neighborhood eyesore and the safety hazard. Unbelievable, Leo.
Well, absolutely, my friend. And we are standing in front of the eyesore right here in front of this yard. You see all of this trash. And believe me, folks, it smells as bad as it looks. Here's more. Some neighbors say they've had it with smelly trash littering this yard in the 600 block of North Myrtle in the Fairfax District.
Pretty gross and smells pretty bad.
Air 7 taking a bird's eye view, showing the front and backyard of the home, a wasteland of clutter.
It just keeps happening, and they keep, they cleaned it out, like a year ago?
Last year, residents complained so much about the stinky piles of garbage in the yard. It caught the ear of L.A. Mayor Karen Bass, who visited the home to see what all the fuss was about. Soon after, city work crews moving in, hauling out some 7 tons of waste. The mayor's office issuing this statement on the heels of this latest pileup in the yard. It is really disappointing that the owners of this private property have again allowed the conditions of the site to disintegrate. The city expended significant public resources last year to address this health and safety hazard, including removing tons of non-hazardous waste, and there is an open and ongoing criminal case against the property owner.
I think he probably needs some help. I mean, he's obviously hoarding trash.
Tanya Lee Jane says she's a friend of the property owner, and she argues he's not hoarding trash. Instead, he's recycling.
He was going to call me when he's ready because I had a truck and we were going to be taking his recycles.
Jane says her friend is a veteran of the Vietnam War and suffers from PTSD. She admits he could use some help.
This needs to be handled. There needs to be a solution.
The solution for the city last year was to remove it.
No, it wasn't the city. The city didn't do this. The mayor did this. It was her who said, I'm going to take care of this right now and not follow protocol.
And the city had to spend considerable resources cleaning this mess up last year. The question is, will they do it again? I know residents are hoping and expecting them to do it again. Live in the Fairfax District, Leo Stallworth, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
But man, there's a car in this yard. Check it out. Oh, wow. Is that car for sale?
A lot of people ask me. I know, right? Isn't it amazing?
The 1985 Toyota Celica is a third-generation model known for its sporty performance and durability. In August 1985, the Celica transitioned from rear-wheel drive to front-wheel drive. Here's a quick overview. Features: wider fenders, pop-up headlights, independent rear suspension, and wider wheels and tires. Options: the L-Type offered a fully digital instrument panel with an integrated trip computer, a high-tech feature for 1982. The P-Type had fender flares, a limited slip differential, and 8-way seats. Reliability: Celicas are known for their long lifespan and can last over 200,000 miles with regular maintenance. Collectability: the rare Toyota Celica GT4 with only 2,500 units produced is a sought-after collectible.
Is that the camera?
Yes.
Please.
I want to see the car.
Appreciate it.
Oh.
We're kind of in a crisis right now.
Yeah.
The media and everything.
I got you. I know.
It's really sad.
I know.
We're making headway. We're going to get, appreciate everybody's patience.
Okay.
No, it's not going to end like it did last time.
Yeah. Okay.
So sad.
Good. I know.
Okay.
I feel for you. I know. I got my daughter is special needs, you know what I'm saying? And I understand. I understand.
I teach music to special needs.
Is that right?
Yeah, you could look me up. Drums.live.
Drums.live. Okay, I got you.
Instead of .live.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Well, good luck with everything.
All right, I appreciate that.
Shouldn't be too bad. You know,
Yeah, no,
I've seen it.
yeah.
You know, they got those trucks, those people you call, and they just come out and they take everything.
No.
Got junk, I think is what it's called.
Yeah.
No?
I think he's gonna get a dumpster.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna fill it up and then have it taken.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You got to pay for that. I don't think you have to pay for got junk. I don't think. I think they just come out. It's for free.
Yeah.
Well, I'll look into it.
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I don't know if you gonna fix car? Gonna put it back together?
No, his little private world. They don't talk to him about that because he's very private.
I understand.
And he's so frazzled by all the last
All the
5
attention.
days.
You got people coming by? Like,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
People said on the interview, 800 people said mean things about me for helping.
Oh, wow.
My brother did something nice on there, so
Oh.
my brother stood up for me. But,
Okay.
all I was trying to say was the right way to do things.
Yeah.
But thank you for your patience.
Hey, no sweat, no sweat.
Yeah.
Oh, you know. Best of luck with everything. I know how it is. All right. Well, have a great one.
The before and after is going to be fabulous. You're gonna be
Okay.
Woohoo!
All right. I'll check on you.
Have a nice day.
All right. You too now. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that car is cool. I know it's tough when you're dealing with this kind of situation, but that car would be so nice, somebody to get, but just keep an eye on it. I don't think it'll be for sale anytime soon, but it is what it is.